Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to learn about investing basics. If you're using Claude AI and you want to learn investing basics using your Claude, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open the browser in your PC and go to Claude AI. Now to make sure that you are signed into your account. Now once you are here, the very first thing you just have to enter this prompt. Explain investing to me as if I am a complete beginner. So once I've entered this, just press enter. So it will explain investing to you just as a beginner. So if you might have some questions, so you can also ask them here, or if you have any experience in investing, or if you are not a beginner, so you can also add that here that I'm an intermediate, I'm expert. So you just have to ask some questions here, or you can also try something else like this. There you can say create a 30-day plan to learn investing fundamentals. If you want to learn investing fundamentals in just 30 days. So you just have to simply submit it here. It will create a plan for you using which you can easily learn investing fundamentals in just 30 days. So you just have to wait for this until it completes its work. So in a few moments, you might see a 30-day plan where you can see that day 1 plan, day 2, day 3, and it goes to 30 days. You can easily download this PDF file by using this download button here, or you can also select download as MD, think that's PDF or publish certificate. I'm gonna download this, just click on this download option and it will be downloaded. So it's an empty file. You can also create a PDF file from here. So in this way, you can easily learn fundamental of investing in just 30 days. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.